Well, we made it. Dublin, Ireland. Dublin, Ireland. Irish city of Dublin. Top of the morning to you.
Late last night, we were delayed, but we... It's early morning, about 7 a.m. and oh, look down there. There's a stumbling bloke. He's just been drinking all night. He doesn't even know where he's at.
After a long journey from Alaska, we finally made it here in the beautiful Irish city of Dublin. "24 hours after leaving Alaska, we touched down in Ireland the evening of St. Patrick's Day. Originally set to arrive that morning, we were delayed several times due to the busy holiday schedule. The Green Hotel in central Dublin would serve as our new home for the next several days. After unloading our bags and freshening up, the night was upon us, so we hit the streets to take part in the celebrations. While exploring the city, we found Gallagher's Boxty House, an instant favorite that we couldn't pass up. After an amazing Irish dinner and a proper pint, the jet lag started to catch up with us, so we decided to head back and call it a night. The next morning, and after a well-needed nap, there was still plenty left to do for the rest of the long holiday weekend. Alright, we found St. Michan's Cathedral. They got some crypts. We're waiting for a tour guide. We're going to see some
Skellies.
Some mummies. Yeah, so we were talking to the tour operator, and I told her my name was Michan, and she was like, oh, that's That's a funny name.
It's a weird name.
I was like, well,
so you work here.
You work here, and I feel like the St. Michan's Church or Parish or whatever, you think this would be like the Mecca for the Michans. They would all flock here, and she's never met one.
She's never met a Mican before.
So
he's one in a million. Maybe maybe the only one ever since Saint Mican.
The quest to find another Mican in this world continues. We'll keep you posted. After an exciting weekend in Dublin, the time came to continue with our journey around the rest of the Emerald Isle. In order to navigate the narrow winding roads, we chose this Renault Clio. After spending time in Cork and Cobh, we drove north to visit the infamous Blarney Stone before heading on to Limerick. From Limerick, we had to battle foul weather at the cliffs of Moher before meeting with family in Mayo and seeing where my grandfather was born. After bidding farewell to our Irish family, we continued onward into Northern Ireland. From Derry, we carried on into the Giant's Causeway. Finally, we hit the last stop of our journey in Belfast.